In this video, I'll show you how to delete the EFI System Partition on a USB device. As you can see, in the Disk Management tool, there are no options to manage this partition. To do this, let's open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Launch the Disk Part tool. Get the list of disks by typing List Disk. Select the disk by typing Select Disk X, where X is the number of the USB disk. We can identify the USB disk by its size. Once the disk is selected, get the list of partitions by typing List Partition. Next, select the EFI partition by typing Select Partition X, where X is the number of the EFI partition. Finally, remove it by typing Delete Partition Override. As you can see, the EFI partition has been removed successfully. After removing the partition, you'll see unallocated space on the USB device. Unfortunately, on Windows, there's no tool to extend an existing partition to reclaim the total capacity of the USB. There are many free partition manager tools for Windows. You can search and download one from the internet. In this video, I'll use a free tool to extend the partition and recover the total capacity of the USB device. As you can see, we now have only one partition with the full capacity of the USB disk. If you don't need the partition tool anymore, you can remove it at this point. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.